Starting a profitable online business from scratch may seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. Have you ever wondered what steps you need to take to turn your online business idea into a thriving reality? In today's video, we will embark on an illuminating journey into the world of launching a profitable online business from scratch. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of entrepreneurship in the digital age and uncover the secrets to building a successful venture from the ground up. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking to expand your online presence or a budding innovator eager to take the plunge into the world of e-commerce, this video is your ultimate guide to turning your dreams into reality. So, grab your notepad, buckle up, and get ready to embark on this exciting adventure with us. Finding your place in the online market. The first step in starting a profitable online business is selecting the right niche. Your niche is the specific area or industry in which your business will operate. It's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a viable market demand. Take some time to research different niches, analyze their profitability, and assess your own interests and expertise. Remember, your niche will determine your target audience, the products or services you offer, and ultimately, the success of your business. So choose wisely and ensure that your niche aligns with your long-term goals and aspirations, understanding your audience and competition. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to conduct thorough market research. Market research involves gathering information about your target audience, their needs, preferences, and purchasing behavior, as well as analyzing your competitors. By gaining a deep understanding of your audience and competition, you'll be better equipped to position your business effectively and tailor your products or services to meet the needs of your target market. Use tools like Google Trends, social media analytics, and competitor analysis tools to gather valuable insights and make informed decisions about your business strategy. Creating a solid business plan. Now that you've chosen your niche and conducted market research, it's time to create a solid business plan. A business plan serves as a roadmap for your online business, outlining your goals, objectives, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Your business plan will guide you through the various stages of launching and growing your business, helping you stay focused and organized along the way. Be sure to include detailed plans for product development, marketing, sales, operations, and finances, and revisit and revise your business plan regularly as your business evolves. Building your online presence. With your business plan in hand, it's time to start building your online presence. Your online presence is crucial for attracting customers, building credibility, and establishing your brand identity. Start by creating a professional website that showcases your products or services and provides valuable information to your audience. Choose a user-friendly website builder like WordPress or Shopify, and invest in high-quality design and content that reflects your brand personality and resonates with your target audience. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines, SEO, to improve your visibility and attract organic traffic. Marketing and promotion. Now that your website is live, it's time to focus on marketing and promotion. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your website, generating leads, and converting prospects into customers. There are various online marketing strategies you can use to promote your business, including social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment with different marketing channels and tactics to see what works best for your business and target audience. And don't be afraid to adapt and iterate your strategy based on the results. Providing exceptional customer service. In the world of online business, customer service is paramount. Providing exceptional customer service not only ensures customer satisfaction, but also builds loyalty and trust, leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Make sure to prioritize responsiveness, professionalism, and personalized support in all your interactions with customers. Respond promptly to inquiries and complaints, address customer concerns empathetically, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. By putting your customers first and delivering a memorable experience, you'll cultivate long-lasting relationships and foster a loyal customer base. Scaling your business. As your online business grows, you'll reach a point where you'll need to scale up your operations to accommodate increased demand and expand your reach. Scaling your business involves optimizing your processes, investing in technology and infrastructure, hiring additional staff, and exploring new markets and opportunities for growth. Keep a close eye on key performance indicators, KPIs, like sales, profitability, customer acquisition cost, and customer lifetime value, and use data-driven insights to inform your scaling strategy. Remember, scaling a business requires careful planning and execution, so take it one step at a time and stay focused on your long-term goals. Expanding your revenue streams. In addition to your core products or services, consider diversifying your revenue streams to maximize your earning potential. This can involve offering complementary products or services, creating digital products such as ebooks or online courses, or monetizing your expertise through coaching or consulting services. By diversifying your income streams, you can reduce reliance on any single source of revenue and create multiple streams of income that support your business growth and financial stability. Turning visitors into customers. Once you have traffic coming to your website, the next step is to optimize your conversion rate to turn visitors into customers. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, involves improving various elements of your website, such as your landing pages, product pages, checkout process, and call to action buttons, to encourage visitors to take the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for your email list, or requesting more information. Test different design and messaging variations, track your conversion rates, and make data-driven adjustments to continuously improve your website's performance and conversion rates. Regularly review your performance metrics, set goals and benchmarks, and adjust your strategies accordingly to ensure continued growth and success. Staying up to date with trends and technology. The world of online business is constantly evolving, with new trends, technologies, and market dynamics shaping the landscape. To stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your industry. Follow industry blogs, attend conferences and networking events, join online communities, and subscribe to relevant newsletters and publications to stay informed and inspired. Embrace innovation, be open to experimentation, and don't be afraid to adapt and evolve your business model to meet changing customer needs and market demands. Building relationships for success. Networking and collaboration are essential components of building a successful online business. Forge meaningful relationships with other entrepreneurs, industry influencers, and potential partners who can help support and grow your business. Join online forums and social media groups, attend networking events and workshops, and reach out to individuals or organizations that share your interests and values. Collaborate on joint ventures, co-promotions, or strategic partnerships to expand your reach, access new markets, and leverage each other's strengths and resources. By building a strong network of allies and collaborators, you'll amplify your impact and accelerate your business growth. Conclusion. As we conclude our in-depth exploration of how to start a profitable online business from scratch, remember that the journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Armed with the knowledge, strategies, and resources shared in this video, you have everything you need to embark on your entrepreneurial journey and build a thriving online business that fulfills your dreams and aspirations. Stay focused, stay resilient, and above all, stay committed to your vision. With passion, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Outro. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos, filled with valuable insights and tips for aspiring entrepreneurs like yourself.